Welcome back to Engine Plusle. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Motorhome, a reimagined classic that's making waves in the RV and motorhome industry. This isn't just a nod to nostalgia, it's a bold step forward in design, technology, and practicality for modern adventurers. Let's start with the exterior. GMC has done a fantastic job of blending retro aesthetics with modern design elements. The sleek, aerodynamic body pays homage to the iconic 1970s model, but with sharper lines, LED lighting, and a more robust frame. It's available in a range of contemporary colors, including metallic finishes, giving it a premium yet approachable vibe. The large panoramic windows are not just a design statement, they offer incredible views of the outdoors, perfect for road trips and camping enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine. This setup combines a powerful V6 turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive torque and fuel efficiency. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down highways, this motorhome promises a smooth and responsive drive. The hybrid system also allows for a quieter ride, making long trips more enjoyable for drivers and passengers alike. GMC's engineering ensures this vehicle can handle diverse terrains, from paved roads to light off-road trails. Step inside, and you'll see why the 2025 GMC Motorhome is setting new standards in luxury and functionality. The interior is designed to maximize space and comfort. High-quality materials like leather and sustainable wood accents create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The layout is flexible, featuring a convertible seating area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a modern bathroom with a shower. The sleeping quarters are thoughtfully designed to provide ample space for rest, whether you're traveling solo or with a family. Tech enthusiasts will love the advanced features packed into this motorhome. The infotainment system is powered by GMC's latest software, offering seamless connectivity through a large touchscreen display. Features include GPS navigation, real-time weather updates, and smart home integration. There's also a companion app that lets you control lighting, temperature, and security settings remotely. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging stations ensure that all your devices stay powered during your journey. Safety is a top priority for GMC, and the 2025 Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make driving a large vehicle like this far less intimidating, even for first-time motorhome users. The 2025 GMC Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or weekend getaways, this motorhome is designed to provide unparalleled comfort, convenience, and reliability. GMC has truly redefined what a modern motorhome can be, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. That's all for today on Engine Plusle. If you're as excited about the 2025 GMC Motorhome as we are, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you'd take this incredible vehicle. See you in the next video.